Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing great. Today I will show you how to grow spider plant in easy way. So if you love growing spider plant and if you love gardening, watch this video till end. So friends, without wasting time, let's begin now. So we can grow spider plant in two processes. One is by dividing it and another one we can grow from runners. This is called runners. We can grow easily from it. So if you don't have runners in your spider plant, you can grow by dividing it. So if you want to grow spider plant by dividing it, just comment me in the comment box. I'll make a video on that. So today I will use this process, runners process. We can grow this by cutting. We have to use sharp knife or sharp cutter to cut it. You can check here, we have got three runners, 1 2 3, means we got three plants. So just I'm going to cut it here. So guys, you can see now we got three new spider plant now. So just I'm going to grow it from this. As next step, I'm going to use root hormone powder. This is optional. If you don't have root hormone powder, you can plant it directly. But remember, use well-rinsed soil mix to grow spider plant. Yes, I'm going to take it. So just put it in the cut area. So you'll get this in online store or else in the fertilizer store. I'll do the same with all the cuttings I have here. Next about the soil mix, I'm going to use this soil mix. You can see here, so the first one I have perlite and next garden soil, and the last one I have got coco peat. Remember, we have to use well drained soil mix to grow it. So just I'm going to mix it well. As you can see, the soil mix is ready now. So if you don't have perlite and coco peat, you can use just garden soil also to grow spider plant. So next, use a pot with many drainage hole. I'm going to use this pot. You can check here, it has got many drainage hole on it. Just I'll put the soil mix on it. So guys, now all the process is done. So just now I'm going to plant it. Just we have to make hole like this and plant it gently. So friends, after planting, we have to keep lots of water so that the air gap will remove from the pot. And from next, you can give 3 to 4 times of water a week. It will take 15 to 20 days to establish the roots. So for now, I'm going to place this in indirect sunlight in the bright light locations till it grows well. So friends, this spider plant I have grown like 15 days ago using the same process. So I hope it has rooted. Just I'm going to take this out from the pot and show you the roots. The first one I have this. So we have to take this out gently, not to destroy the roots. So friends, just check, it has rooted now. So in just 15 days, it has got lots of roots on it. So it is going to grow well now after repotting it. So I'm going to check another one. So guys, just check here. This has got a tiny roots now. The last one, I hope it has rooted too. So guys, just check here. So all the three spider plant has rooted successfully. So if you want to grow spider plant in your home, you can use this process. You'll get this in 100% successful rate. But if you don't have root hormone, you can just grow directly in the garden soil. Let's check the cute spider plant here. All three cuttings has rooted successfully. So friends, for now I'm going to plant this in the same pot and add some organic fertilizer on the top. Just we have to make hole gently, not to destroy the roots. So friends, now I'm going to add organic manure. This is vermicompost. You'll get this in online store or else in the fertilizer store. Just I'm going to add a little bit, slightly on it. So after adding fertilizer, I'm going to put some water on it. So after watering, I'm going to place this in indirect sunlight in the bright light locations. So friends, this is how I grow spider plant from runners. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please press the like button and please don't forget to subscribe. press the notification bell for more gardening videos. Until then, friends, thank you for watching. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye.